Larson, and I want to share a very valuable lesson with you today. My operations manager, Amanda, will actually be going through step by step so you understand every single nitty-gritty detail of how to do this operation. Here at Real Estate Mad Education, we don't believe in fluff. We believe in details. We want to give you actionable information that you can follow along with and go implement right away. I hope you enjoy this training. Thank you. Okay, a lot of you guys, I think most of you guys are probably doing this virtually where you're never meeting the seller. That's how we prefer to do it. I stopped doing face-to-face sales with an on-the-grounds acquisitions person like 2 or 3 years ago. I'm not saying that system doesn't work, because it does. I did it for years and years and years and did thousands of deals that way. If you're live in person, those leads, you're going to close a higher percentage, okay? If you have a guy on the ground going and meeting the seller, you're going to close a higher percentage of those deals. But here's the thing. How much time does it take to drive to somebody's house? How much time do you waste when they don't show up? How much time do you waste walking through the property physically? Okay, there's a lot of time lost there. But that system, if you make 10 offers using that system and 10 offers virtually, you're going to close more with the guy that's live. But the downfall is you can't make anywhere near as many offers. You might get to a couple a day, maybe 3. When you're virtual, you don't have those roadblocks. You can make a lot more offers. Okay, you can make 2 to 3 to 4 times as many offers virtually over the phone. You never have to physically go get in your car and drive. Some other reasons I like it. What if I want to start a new market? Now I got to go find an acquisitions person that's on the ground locally. That's hard to do. The pool of talent is small in the acquisitions world. What if the laws change in that state? What if I live in a state like Illinois? I'm in Illinois right now. What if I'm in a state like Illinois, they change the rules on wholesaling? Now I got to move? Do I got to go hire a new acquisitions person? No, I do it virtually. I can pick a new market tomorrow and start doing marketing and get leads the same day. COVID. What about COVID? When COVID happened, forget about it. You're not doing in-person meetings. Now they're talking COVID number 2's coming. Doesn't matter to me. Our system's already set up to do that. That's why I like the virtual world. I like pulling from a worldwide talent pool. It's easy to shift, easy to pivot. So I like the virtual side of things better, even though you can close more deals with the in-person side, okay, per offer. Not in the overall scheme of things when you're making lots more offers in the course of a week. We walk the house step by step, room by room. Mr. Seller, if I walk into your front door, where am I standing? Well, you're in the living room. Okay, Mr. Seller. Now, if I'm in the living room and I look down at the flooring that I'm standing on, what kind of flooring is it? Well, it's carpet. Is the carpet brand new? Okay, we don't ask if this stuff is in good condition. We don't say good condition. Why? Because everybody thinks their stuff's in good condition. Carpet that was installed in 1974 in somebody's house could be in good condition. You guys remember the shag stuff? My buddy lived in an apartment when we were in our 20s. The carpet in his house was bright orange shag. The shag was that long. It was in good condition, all right? But that doesn't mean you don't have to replace it. Nobody's buying houses with bright orange shag carpeting. We don't say good condition. We manufacture motivation by saying, is it brand new? The seller has to say no in most cases. Check in your side. Is the cabinets brand new? No. Is the countertops brand new? No. Is the bathroom just 2023 remodel? No, but it's in good condition. Okay, but I understand that, Mr. Seller, but we're thinking the next buyer after we have to buy this house and renovate it, and those are millennials. I don't know if you know much about the millennials, but the millennials, they don't want to do anything to a house. It has to be brand new 2023 or they don't buy it. Can't argue with that logic, okay? That's how we do. We go room by room. Is it brand new? That's how we manufacture motivation. Somebody that really thought they had something in their house after one conversation realizes it's not as good as they thought. Okay. You just shifted the momentum into your side.
If you want to book a call with Matt's team to close 3 to 5 contracts per month for less than 20% of the cost of American closers, send an email to hello@realestatemat.com with a subject line that says contracts.